back to Rust Rock Nation. Once again, my name is Junior. Just a very quick, probably update video for you guys. I might have messed up my Ranger suspension when I replaced the leaf spring hanger. I did end up going back and fixing it. I'm going to show you what I did in this video. First, I'm going to show a still here of how the truck was sitting, and then I'm going to show the still probably here of how it's sitting now, how it's supposed to be sitting. And I'm going to walk you through and show what I had wrong and how I fixed it. Alright, so as you can see here, it's actually sitting right. It's sitting fairly level. I have my e-brake on the ground there, but it's on a bit of a hill, but you can see that it's pretty much leveled off. And what happened was I ended up putting the bracket back there for the leaf spring. It didn't have a shackle on it, and I ended up putting it upside down. What I assumed it set like this one here with the spring at the bottom. It turns out, if you can kind of see there, the spring goes on top of that one. I ended up looking at my uncle's truck and got the full view of what it was supposed to be sitting like, and I will cut in a picture here of what I ended up doing to get it on. But now, after that, it works. But yeah, so that's what I had wrong. I had the bracket upside down, and I didn't have the shackle or hanger. I forget which one. There's one part that's the shackle and one part that's the hanger. I can't remember which one's which, but I showed you the picture of which part I ended up putting on. I thought last time when I put it together, I thought it'd be fine without it because I didn't really have the money for it, but it wasn't fine without it. The leaf spring couldn't flex. Like, every time it tried to flex out, it would just push up further, so the truck was bouncing and jittering over every little bump. So if you're gonna do it, don't do like me and go with the it'll be fine thought process. Buy the actual right part. It was only like an extra like 30 or 40 bucks. I think it was 40 bucks for the two of them and the bearings bushings. It was like 40 bucks for the two of them and the bushings to put it all together, and I ended up buying the bushings separately last time anyway, so should have just bought the whole hanger kit. But hindsight is 2020 and all that. It's fixed now. Just save yourself the trouble and don't have to pull it apart again in the future, and do it the right way. So I just wanted to give this quick update video in case anyone is following along. Thank you all for watching. Once again, this has been Rust Rocket Nation. I have been Junior, and I will see you all next time.